If you haven't seen a life cycle on a ticket, what does it look like? Well, to see that, let's create a ticket from a template that includes this life cycle. Now, as an agent, I've already gotten things started by filling out a new ticket request that includes what that request is, who it's from. But to fill out the rest of this, let's use apply template. And I'm going to search for my onboarding request. You can see here's onboarding where it sets the status, the category, the ticket type, and of course, our life cycle. I'll hit next. I'll also answer this custom form now. So this is Dan, Williams, accounting director. Let's save and we'll create. Now let's go to our ticket that we just created for Patty to onboard Dan. Once we're in the ticket, you can see all of its details, its associated lifecycle, and current phase of work. And in this case, you can see we're actively in the interview phase and have yet to get to the others. But the next question you might have is, what's in the interview phase? Who are we waiting on to move forward? Well, to see that, all we have to do is dive into the Lifecycle tab. Here we can see what is specifically active, what we have yet to get to, and the work contained in those phases.